So for those of you who can't tolerate fibre, that is exactly why you need Qenda Ultimate Fibre. I was just where you was, say, 5 years ago. When I first got introduced to this, I could not have any fibre whatsoever. I was having blended up white pasta and mixing that with kefir, and that was going through me in about 15 to 30 minutes because I had really bad Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The good news is the herbs and the fibre in this formulation, of the 31 herbs, 23 of those herbs have anti-inflammatory properties. Anti-inflammatory means reduces inflammation. When you are having fibre at the moment, it's creating inflammation. So when you're having these herbs, it reduces inflammation. So it's actually fibre that your body can tolerate. Like I said, I just from day one of having this, I thought I'd put it to the test. I was like, let's prove it wrong. I had sweet potato, broccoli, sea bass, black pepper, all big no-nos for me, and that normally would have gone through me in 15 to 30 minutes. After having this, I had a transit time of 6 hours. So you all get told fiber's good for you. You need to get more fiber in your diet, but I understand some people can't. But this is your answer. All the anti-inflammatory herbs and the amazing properties of the whole food ingredients that are in here will allow you to have fiber again and feel good again.